So how to invite your friends in Uber Eats. So to refer your friends to Uber Eats and get a discount on your next order, it's very simple to do. So every single Uber Eats account has a referral code. So to go ahead and find yours, you're going to need to go ahead and select the profile section at the bottom right here. Then once you've done that, it opens you up to this page here, and you simply just want to scroll down to where it says invite friends right here. Then once you've selected invite friends, it opens you up to this page here, and you should see your unique referral code at the bottom right here. So for the example of this video, I've had to blur mine out as it is against Uber's terms to publicly reveal your code outside friends or family. So because I'm using it on a YouTube video, I can't publicly reveal mine to you. But obviously, as long as you are only sending it to friends or family, then that is absolutely fine. But as you can see right now, the offer that stands is you can refer your friends to Uber Eats and you'll get £5 on your next order. So this offer sometimes does change from time to time. So what you see on screen here might differ by the time you're watching this. But it's always recommended to read the latest terms and conditions, as these can always change. But moving on, to go ahead and use your referral code, what you can do here is select copy right here. And then if you go ahead and paste it, either into something like WhatsApp or Messenger, it comes up in a link format like this. So your friend can simply click on the link and sign up to Uber Eats from there. So I'd always recommend using the link just to ensure that it tracks. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.